Right, boys, it is a really cold Monday evening, but basically what we're going to be doing, I need to stop saying basically, I say it in every single video. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is installing what is like, you know, the CE UK LED strips for the rear number plate. That's pretty much what it is. The reason I went for these is just because of the fact that I know they're not the same sort of price, but they're on eBay and they were there and then, and so I just bought them. Saves me going through like the payment details and that for CE UK, etc. And they charge like £2 extra postage, so I was on eBay already and just bought these. And I will provide a link in the description down below for these rear LED lights, which you guys will absolutely love because I've already seen what they're like and they're amazing. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video and show you guys how to fit these absolute beauties. Right, there we go. So hopefully that's a bit of a better angle for you guys. You can see, obviously. So yeah, as you can see, we have got one light out already, and as easy as it is, obviously you got the 501 fitment, and what it is, the end of this is like a 501 fitment. So what it does is it slots straight into where the bulb will go, and it just pins in nicely. So I'm going to move the camera back a bit just so I can do it. There we go. So as you can see, this bulb, it just pops out like so. Put that in my pocket, and then obviously it just literally goes in as it would with a 501 bulb. So let's go ahead and get this all clipped back in because it's going to look way nicer. And yeah, it's as easy as that. So yeah, as you see, it looks way better. It literally takes about 30 seconds to install. So if you guys can't do it, then I don't know, God help you lot. But I'm sure my subscribers, like you lot as my subscribers, you can definitely do it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for installing that one. I'm going to quickly go do both, and then I'll show you what they look like after that. So back with you guys in just a second. Right, so there we are, we're both of them done. Now the car definitely looks way better now with them on, and I'm absolutely over the moon. So yeah, we'll go head straight back to the car now, and I'll explain to you what's going to happen in the next video. Right, so that went way better than I thought it was. I thought it was going to be an absolute pain in the ass to fit, considering I didn't look up any tutorials or anything. I just did it as it was, and it came out really good. So yeah, follow those tips. It's just one of those videos again where it's something little, it's a subtle mod, but it makes the car look so much better, especially at night when you're driving around going to car mates and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Just hit the subscribe button if you've really liked it. There's plenty more tutorial videos coming up. Hopefully you've enjoyed one so far. I did promise you there was going to be tutorial videos, and I have not yet let you down, so that's them. But yeah, hit the bell button as well if you're new subscribers for every time I get up I'm uploading a video, because at the minute it pretty much is every day or every 2 days. Now that might slow down in the future a little bit due to work, but I'm going to try and bang videos out for you like every couple of days, every day if I can, etc. But you know, it's just thinking of the content and stuff like that. So if you guys can comment down below as well if you want to see anything new in the future, if you want to know anything to install. I should have done an exhaust system install, really. That would have been a lot easier for you guys, but that was an absolute pain in the ass. But yeah, hopefully you've all enjoyed this. Hit that like button, and let's get us to 400 subscribers. We're about 40 or 30 subscribers away now, I think. So if we can get to 400 subscribers, I might do a cheeky little giveaway, but I'm going to aim to try and do like a nice big giveaway for you when we get to 500. So yeah, keep smashing that like button, share these videos around. Hopefully this tutorials has helped you out. As always, I will pop the link for the product in the description below from where you get it from. Dirt cheap, really easy to install, and it will makes your car look 10 times better. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.